Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today is Saturday, January 7, 2023, and tomorrow is Sunday, January 8, 2023, which will mark the beginning of Auntie JoJo's Health Challenge 2023. So let me back up a bit. My name is Joanne Richards Goff, aka Auntie JoJo. And for this year will be the 5th year hosting Auntie JoJo's Health Challenge. So of course it's 2023. If you look on Facebook, you will see us as a group. Search for us, Auntie JoJo's Health Challenge 2023. And it is a space where we have 3 basic rules for the month of January, or for the period of time that we established this health challenge for. So, rule number 1, we are only eating plant-based foods for the period January 8 to February 4. So anything that had a face or has a face or is connected to anything with a face is off limits. Rule number 2, we're going to get moving. So recommended 30 minutes per day for 5 days for the week, minimum. Get moving. And rule number 3 is what again? Rule number 3 is hydrate. See, sometimes I forget, and this is why I'm also forgetting what is rule number 3. So rule number 3, drink water, especially water. And of course, it's recommended that you have at least 8 ounces of water per day. So number 1, plant-based foods. Number 2, exercise. Number 3, drink water. And then we have 3 main incentives. Number 1, we are going to be having daily tips, links to important, valuable information, recipes. Yes. And number 2, we are going to have weekly live sessions to encourage each other and to share what's happening with each other. And number 3, at the end of the 4 weeks, if you have full participated in this challenge, you will get a digital certificate. And what we did last year is that between posts, reactions, and comments, if you had at least 10 of those for the period of the challenge, then you would get a certificate. So, and we're going to really make it easy for you to get those posts in, because we'll be making recommendations for the kinds of posts that you can make, right? So sometimes you might be thinking, I don't know what to write inside of here. Yes, we will help you with that. All right. Then there are 3 main benefits, but there are actually more. But these are the 3 top ones. You're going to feel better. You're going to look better, and you're going to get stronger. These are not absolutely guaranteed, but these are the main things that I have found that people who participate in the challenge have experienced for themselves. And we want more people to have the same wonderful experience. Yeah. So what else do I? So it's tomorrow we're starting, right? And some of you have already started. I would expect that you would have already started preparing by shopping. But here in the book, Auntie JoJo Goes Vegan, a Jamaican story with tips and recipes for a healthier you, I actually on page 38 have a list of ways in which you can prepare for this challenge. So number 1, clear refrigerator and cupboards of off-limits foods. No, don't touch the food that doesn't belong to you if you are sharing your space with persons who are not a part of this challenge. Number two, go shopping for as many fruits and veggies, nuts and beans and seeds as you think you will need. Don't purchase more perishables than you can consume, though, because you don't want to have to throw them out due to spoilage. All right, number three, a high-speed blender will come in very handy. A NutriBullet or a Ninja will do. I love my Vitamix, but it is a bit pricey if you don't already have one. A food processor can work magic you wouldn't believe too. If you are able to invest in one, that would be awesome. Number four, do you have a nice water bottle to travel with? If not, get one. Number five, start exploring online and gathering vegan recipes so that we can share with each other and so that you will see the wide range of possibilities. You know, people think that vegans have a narrow choice of food, but we actually have a very wide choice. Yeah. So start gathering your recipes if you haven't already done so. And number six, I hope you have good, strong walking shoes. If not, you should plan to get some. However, walking is not the only form of exercise. In fact, some don't have that option. Comfortable clothes for exercising is a good place to begin. Yeah, man. So those are the tips in here, the main tips in here on how to prepare for this challenge. So are you ready? Are you ready? All right, well, I have a list of things that I'm going to be sharing with you along the way. So this is by no means the last video that you will see from me within the next month. Yes. So that's it for now. Get ready, get ready, get ready, because tomorrow we begin our vegan challenge, Auntie Jojo's Health Challenge 2023. And a good first post, if you haven't posted yet, is to simply introduce yourself inside the group. An excellent post would be a picture of yourself at the start of the challenge. And then, of course, we would be happy to see a picture of yourself at the end of the challenge. But if you kind of don't want to put your picture out there, just simply a post that says the date and your weight. I didn't plan to rhyme, but it just kind of happened. So, a post with your date, the date, and your weight. Yeah. And then at the beginning of each week, that's a good post for people to make, just so that we can keep each other accountable and encourage each other along the way. All right, but done for now. So something tells me I'll be back tomorrow. All right. So until you see me again, on a walk good and one love. Oh, and by the way, if you have a friend who you know would benefit greatly from this challenge, just invite them over now for come join me. Last time I checked, we had about 50 people. I think there are many more people out there who would be happy to engage in this challenge with us. So just bring them in, rope in, everybody rope in, and we're going to have a catawampus time this month, this year. Auntie Jojo's Health Challenge 2023. Walk good and one love.